Hello mga bebe ko, good morning. February 3 and it's almost 10 o'clock na in the morning. Ito guys, si Sherry.
One of them works overtime and creates.
Good morning, Sherry.
Hello.
We had such fun last night, guys, for Sherry's
We did. We
birthday.
had a great time.
And love the girls as well.
Yeah, the girls were fun. And
Sharon,
it was lovely.
Mel, and Sue.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Sharon Mel and
Cheryl's
Sue.
making our breakfast now.
Do you know how old Sue is?
Yes, Sue, guy. Oh,
Do you know how old Sue is, Scott?
Yeah. And we have some oranges and
She's 67.
omelette. So I'm gonna go and get my brown bread and then
And
my coffee.
yeah.
Babe, can you get me coffee?
So is Mel. I think you remember that. You don't remember Mel from away?
Vaguely.
My breakfast. Thank you, Cheryl.
No problem.
And look at this, guys. Cheryl cooked omelette. You have oranges and my half of this, guys. Allowed ako half lang. Thank you so much, Cheryl.
Goodbye. Thank you for
Goodbye.
everything and all your support. I love you
Oh.
very much.
I love you too.
And Kathleen
Very, very
Elizabeth
much.
was moving so much last night. She was giving us so much love.
Yeah, guys. My gosh, we had such great time with
Had a
Jess,
beautiful
my bestie.
time, and I had got
We're best
lovely
friends.
presents, best friends, lovely
Okay.
prezzies, beautiful
You
prezzies.
take care, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. See you. We're home. We're home. We're home. Mag-unpack ako mga bebe loves ko. Ayan, ayan. Nadala ko pala to kay Cheryl to eh. Nadala ko siya kasi I need water. Anyway, hindi namin nakain yung chips kasi nga hindi ako magchi-chips mga bebe ko. We're gonna watch. So far, so good yung aking sugar. Wala, meron pa akong nectarine dito. Yum. Nectarine. Ang sarap ang nectarine mga bebe ko. And banana. Nag-snacks ako kanina ng 1 bar. This is my snacks after breakfast. So, I check my sugar before and after breakfast and it's normal mga bebe ko. So, we have to wait after lunch. Sana after lunch, mag-take ulit ng sugar ko. Hindi ko pa nipapakita mga bebe ko kung paano ko siya tinitake. Anyway, later on. And, bukas darating si Chris. Iko-continue yung job niya. Ayan. Super love ko. Super good. Nagustuhan ko yung shelf ni baby. That's really good. And then, naipakita ko na rin yun. Bago yan, mga bebe ko. Pinagawa rin namin. So, ayan. 12:30 guys. Hindi ko alam kung nung lunch namin ni Scott. Sana punta na lang kami ng Iscarded para mag-lunch. Pero I don't think so. Napupunta kami doon. Yes, excited ako sa meet up namin with the girls Saturday. Punta sila dito sa bahay, mga baby ko, yung mga mommies friend ko. Mommies. Mga momshi, see you Saturday. Excited ako. I need mamalengke sa pork para sa aking pork fillet para sa aking adobo. Snacks tayo ng nectarine. Ang sarap mga bebe ko. It's good to have snacks na 2 small. Yung size ng fish ko. Ito. So, ayan guys. Ang sarap niyang tamis. Hi, Dad. You can hold it, Dad.
Oh,
And then, yeah. Hello.
hello world, this is Charles. Welcome to my world and welcome to your world. Let's hope that everyone has a lovely, lovely day today. We're in Sydney, Australia, and we're in the beautiful suburb of Maroubra. Now, they've just come back from their little weekend away, and they brought a baby bassinet for Juliet and Scott's baby. Kathleen Elizabeth, and given to Scott and Juliet by their girlfriend Cheryl, who lives in Newcastle. That's up the north coast a bit. Okay everybody, look after yourselves, and my world to your world, goodbye.
Dad, what's the weather?
The weather's beautiful here in Sydney. We got a lovely day of 27 degrees.
And Dad, you see the lights? I can turn on.
And we got some new lights put in the house.
You want to turn on?
Yep, put them on. New lights.
Yeah, new lights.
There they all are. Let there be light, and the light shone all over.
You are my sunshine.
My only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey.
When?
When skies are grey.
When skies are grey. Ba-ba-ba-ba-boom.
I can sing it. I better sing it on
Can you
my
do
own.
it again on your
No,
own?
I better sing it on it.
Okay.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You never know, dear, how much I love you all. Please don't take my sunshine away. Ba-boom, ba-boom, boom.
Babong! Kumaligo mga bebe ko. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog yata na nakita niyong basa yung hair ko. Punta kami ng Westfield. Doon si Rochelle, nag-usap kami. Sana okay na yung paa niya. Sana gumaling siya. Anyway, mga bebe ko, punta kami. Bili ako ng ingredients ko para February 9. And then, dalhin namin si mami doon kasi mag-grocery din siya. Kailangan ko ng pork chop, shower gel at saka yung Vaseline na nilalagay ko na lotion para ito sa aking belly mga bebe ko, para kay baby namin, ang baby girl kong matabat choy, taba choy choy. Taba choy choy kami ni mami. Guys, nabili ko to sa Westfield kahapon. Ang ganda. Ganito yung gusto kong casing, guys. Oh, sobrang ganda niya, makapal siya, tapos mayroon siyang supporter na dito, oh. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan kasi eh. Dito sa Westfield, siya, nasa $50. Pero nabili ko lang siya ng $20 doon sa Westfield sa Newcastle. Pero dito sa East Garden sa amin, Sydney, ang mahal niya. Buti na lang talaga, nahanap ko din. Okay, let's go. Ito yung laman ng bag ko. Ito yung water, cellphone, at saka yung AQ check ko. At saka yung aking my diabetes record book. And then, meron na din akong sanitizer kasi kailangan malinis yung kamay mo pag tutusukin mo siya and check your sugar. Ayan, yung finger mo. Okay, tara mga bebe ko. Siguro hindi ko na kayo, mga bebe ko, teka lang. Mga bebe ko, hindi ko na kayo dalhin kasi saglit lang naman kami doon kasi ang init. Bibili lang namin yung kailangan and then uwi din agad. Ha, hindi ko na kayo madala kasi sa Westfield yun. Mamaya na lang tayo ulit mag-usap, okay? Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. And ito yung lye ko ginagamit sa belly ko, mga bebe ko. And also, ginagamit ko rin siya sa aking face. And we've got the Nourishing Body Wash from Dove. Ito din, lahat yan is half price. Ito guys, recommended sa akin, Darling Ann, yung Light Moisturizer for 12 hour. Simple. So, gagamitin ko rin yan probably soon. Or tignan natin. And Fluffy for our softener, babe. Softener, that's what it is. And extra mango, mga bebe ko, kumuha akong dalawa. And with pork chop para sa adobo. Masarap siya guys, yung pork chop niluto ko last time. Nagustuhan ni Scott. So ito yung lulutuin ko for the girls. Kasi kita-kita kami dito sa bahay. Magbubudol fight kami guys. First time ko gagawin yun. Yan, pork chop. So lulutuin ko lahat niyan. Kasi kami mga apat kami. Sis Mariel, Sis Julie, Ann, Sis Rochelle, Sis Desiree, ako. So, 5 kami mga bebe ko. Sis Mariel at saka si baby boy niya, si Michael. I-invite ko yung isang friend ko na nakilala ko sa isang friend ko na buntis din. So, in-invite ko siya. Hindi ko lang kumakapunta siya kasi mami din siya. So, makaka-relate kami sa isa't isa. Kasi, about sa mommy, about sa pagiging mother, ganyan. Anyway, ayusin ko lang sila. Ayan mga bebe ko, ayusin ko lang sila and get back to you later. Okay, tapos na ako mag-haul kanina. Mag-haul ng grocery. Ayan guys, ang ating pang-pinakbet sa pork chop. Ayan yung ating veggie. Ay, nahulog. Veggie. Very important, baba. Ayan, magkakain daw si Scott ng pinakbet. So happy. Kakayong asawa ko ng pinakbet, mga bebe ko. bebe ko yung yung brown rice. Hindi siya masyadong masarap. Pero kailangan ko talaga mag-stick sa brown rice. Hindi ko rin mag-gets kung paano siya niluluto. Kasi ang dami ko nang nilagay na water. Ang tigas-tigas pa din ng bigas. Nung pagkakulo niya. So, hindi ko talaga mag-gets. Anyway, ayan mga bebe ko, yung fish ni Scott. And then, magpipinakbet din siya. So, proud of you. Asawa ko kasi magpipinakbet ka. Pero gusto naman niya ang pinakbet. Ang ayaw lang talaga niya yung ampalaya. So, sabi ko na lang sa kanya na ako na lang yung magsiserve. Ayun guys, nag-edit akong 2 vlog. That's good. Enjoy namin yung birthday ni Cheryl, mga bebe ko. Sobrang bait ng best friend ko na yun. Grabe. Ang tagal na namin mag-best friend. Nagkakilala kami sa Malaysia. 6-7 years ago. Tama, kasi mag-6 years na kami eh. So, yun guys. Yung tsura natin. Grabe. Naligo ko kayo ng umaga. Kanina pala, naligo ako kanina. Hindi ko lang tumuyo na siya. Shower na lang ako mamayang gabi after dinner. Maliwanag pa rin guys. Mag-8 o'clock na. Pero ang liwanag pa din. Ayan no. 8 o'clock na. Ang sarap guys. Nung pinakbet. Yummy babe, right? Sarap mga bebe ko kain. Eat vegetables for baby. Very healthy. May kompleto Ricardo eh. Okay, natapos namin mag-walking, mga bebe ko. Now, check our sugar. Naghugas na din ako ng kamay. Kinakabahan ako. Pero normal naman kaninang lunch. So, this time, nag-walking kami ni Scott. It was a, what call it? Breeze walk. I'm nervous kasi kumain tayo ng pinagbet. Pero hindi naman siguro. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, dito tayo sa gitna. Ay, sa gitna. Dito sa gate. Gilid guys ha, hindi mismo sa gitna. Pag mag-check ka ng blood sugar, it has to be dito sa gilid. Hindi sa gitna. Gilid talaga. Yan ang And then, squeeze mo. Oh, not much blood, babe. Look. I squeeze it na ayan. Ayan guys, may dugo na. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow! 4.7! Yan ang pinaka guys, mga bebe ko, 4.7. And that's after dinner. Oh, you know, after dinner, 0.47. This is the lowest I got so far, babe. For after dinner, normally 7 siya, which is still normal. What the heck? Babe, what's going on? See, veggie.
No, the walk.
The walk, I did as well. Okay, yun guys, mag-shower na ako. I'm so happy. So, ito sulat ko siya. Teka, may dugo. Sa aking My Diabetes Record Book. Ayan, isusulat ko siya dyan. And dito ko sila sinusulat guys, mga bebe ko. Ayan. Sana nagpo-focus siya. Ayan. See? Yeah! Dinner dito tayo. And then tomorrow, it's Monday. It's my doctor appointment. To say Dr. Lo, siya. Siguro diabetes. Siguro siya, dietitian, doctor siya. So, ayun. Wow! 4.7. Now, pag-merienda ako mamaya ng mango. Mga bebe ko, mango. Are you proud, Dave?
That's good.
Well, guys, ng sugar dapat. Na yung normal na sugar, under 8. So, pag before breakfast, normal sugar is under 5. And then, after lunch, and dinner has to be under 8. And guys, grabe, 4.7 ako ngayon. Mga bebe loves ko. Hi! So, I gotta do it again tomorrow, babe. Yeah? Before I go to see the doctor. Okay? Good morning mga bebe ko! How are you all? Hindi na ako hindi ko na-close yung vlog kagabi. After namin kumain is tag-walking kami and then check ng sugar. So, sobrang baba ng sugar ko kagabi. But this time, nag-check ako, it's 5.4. So, sumobra ako ng konting point na 4 lang. But that's fine. Okay lang yun as long as hindi siya above like 6, 7, 8, ganun mga bebe ko. And nag-edit lang ako. I-close ko na yung vlog and then tayo ulit. Mag-open ako ng panibagong vlog. Thank you so much mga bebe ko for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!